Hi guys, welcome to Multiplex on One channel. Today in our video we are unboxing this Huawei Band 4 and let's compare the smart bands with smartwatches and let's see which one is better. So let's get started. So this is the box. Here you can see some of the specifications and here you can see the seal. So I am trying to break the seal. So this is the box. Here there are some stuff. Nothing else. Warranty card, and here is the quick start guide, and here is the watch. Here is the smart band, and this is the smart band. In the box only smart band is there, nothing else. So you have to charge it with the smart band only, and let's see how to charge it. So this is the smart band. Actually I'm using this Samsung Gear S3 watch. So let's compare smart band and smartwatch, which one is better. So for charging, here there is a button and we have to press this and remove like this. So actually it says strap, so we have to remove the bottom one. So here is also another button, so just press it, remove it. Yeah, this is the USB port. So this is my Samsung adapter. You have to insert like this and keep charging. So let's turn on and let's see is there any charge inside it or not. It started when I started charging. So let's see the setup process. So it's asking to install an app in our mobile. Search for Huawei Health. Install the app. Go to devices and add devices, and it's a smart band, so click on smart band. And it's trying to update. So I am using Huawei Band 4, so click on that. Pair. So it's trying to pair and it's showing a small notification in the watch, so click on tick mark. Click on auto download and click on continue. Enable notifications. Done. So setup process is almost completed. So after that, here we can see the faces. So here there is a lot of faces which we can install in our smartwatch. Here there are a couple of options. Here it contains 80% of charging. Here is a step count, calorie count and distance, and health monitoring system. So let's see the physical overview. On the back side of the band you can see the heart rate monitor system, and for this you have to remove downside strap and you can charge it. And here is the music control also. So this is the band. I think brightness is bit lower side, so I will try to increase the brightness. Here is the step count, heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, workout tracking, messages and more. So I want to change the brightness. Yeah, it has been increased. So I have to see the battery backup, how many days it may last. Actually I am getting only 1 day of battery backup with this smartwatch. It's the main drawback with the smartwatches. And as compared to smartwatches, I think smart bands make a lot more sense as compared to smartwatches. Actually there are some lot more extra features in smartwatches, like lifting the calls, replying the messages from the smartwatch. Trust me guys, I'm using this smartwatch from an year. Till now I am using these kind of features only very in rare conditions, only once or twice a week or less than that. So purchasing a smart band makes a lot more sense. As compared to this, it costs around 18,000 when I am purchasing this, and this cost only just 1700 rupees. So almost 10 times more price as compared to this smart band. So my choice is smart band is lot more better than smartwatches, and it does the lot more things which smartwatch can do, like notifications and sleep tracking, health tracking, like those things. So I am trying to differentiate between the smartwatch and smart band. So Rise to Wake Up also works perfectly for smart band. Actually my watch has always on display, and as well as it also has the Rise to Wake Up option also. Coming to heart rate tracking, I think smartwatch has some better value as compared to the smart band. I think smart band's value is not that much accurate. The main problem with the smartwatches is you have to charge it every day. But coming to smart bands, it's not like that. It will get better battery life. Coming to health tracking, I think smartwatches give somewhat accurate value as compared to smart bands. As we seen that heart rate is somewhat different, so I think smartwatches give the accurate value. So hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, please like, share and comment to this video. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.